I'm so fake. I literally just filmed the intro of this video and then realized I wanted to put makeup on, so I put it on. So I'd be a little bit less ugly. You should see me in a crowd. I think this is good. Yeah. Okay, so hello everyone. I've realized I haven't been good at introducing myself to those who are new, and it's just
so rude of me.
My name's Natalie. You can call me Natty B, Natalie, Jean. You can pretty much call me anything as long as it's not. But like, even if you do call me that, it's probably deserved. So just like use it when it's needed. Anyway, by the title of the video, you're probably like,
oh my god, Natalie, like.
But I don't take it so literally. I don't mean to say that I think I'm ugly. I don't mean to say I think anyone's ugly. I just mean it as everyone just wants to be less ugly, right? Like,
just me.
So we're just gonna go through a few steps about how to be less ugly. And what I mean from that is just like feel better about yourself. So let's get into the video. So the first step, I mean, most of you can probably guess, is lemon water. And yeah, I just got this from and then I just put some lemons in it. And yeah, I washed the lemons before I put it in here. But it's fine. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Oh, step 2, we're gonna go work out. If you're wondering why it's right here, so I'm not just petting the air. He's so cute. Okay, so we just worked out. As you can tell, I filmed this video in order, so you know I work out and then I'm just directly back like this. Next, get your eyebrows done. I don't mean just get your eyebrows done, like do something for yourself. I got my eyebrows done yesterday, so like that was me trying to be less ugly because I was looking and I was like, oh, something needs to be done. Just do something for yourself, whether it's a massage, a facial, eyebrows, go on a walk, go pet your dog. I don't know, do something for yourself. It'll make you feel better. 4th, take another sip of water. 5th, eat something that makes your organs shine. So here I'm gonna insert a video of me eating whatever I eat for lunch, whenever that will be, which I have no idea what it's gonna be. So here it is. Great. 6, tell someone you love that you love them. So I'm gonna call my mom right now. I hope she answers.
Hi, honey.
Hi. Well, I'm filming a video and I just am doing a part, so I just need you to say I love you. So I love you, Mom.
I love you, honey.
Bye.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, it was great. Thanks.
All right.
You get the point. Oh my god, and then while you're at it, tell yourself you love you. Natalie, I love you. It's so cringy, I'm so sorry. But like, seriously, tell yourself that you love it. Like, say something nice about yourself. Like, Natalie, you're really great. I don't know, say something nice. You know what, I might cut this out of the video because it's kind of embarrassing. But I also might keep it. I don't know. What matters most is what's on the inside. But anyway, then we're gonna just take another sip of water. And what also we're gonna do is talk about the outside.
Just some skincare things.
So first things first, we're gonna wash off the makeup. To show you how fake I am, I literally put Neosporin on my face to look like Zit cream. And then I took the thumbnail, so look at my hair. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna kneel because it just seems natural. And we're gonna take off our makeup with a nice little Neutrogena, oh, no free brand deals. Nice cleansing cloth from Deep Clean Purifying. Beautiful. You know those commercials where it's like the face, where they like take it off and it's like the face on the cleansing cloth and you're just like, that's never once happened.
We're gonna put a face mask on.
Okay, so obviously I'm showered, if you couldn't tell by my sopping wet hair. And now it's time to do a face mask. So I got this from Whole Foods because I get everything from Whole Foods. And it is a Cellulose Mask, which is brilliantly brightening, and it's niacinamide and kale. And it's one of those like fun little things that you just put on your face, obviously. And I want to thank Maggie McDonald for sponsoring this part of the video. You're gonna take your little mask. I'm confused. Oh my god, this is so scary with the cat ears. Okay, and then I have to wait here for 15 minutes, so I'll just be here.
Hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no.
And then moisturize with essential oils. And to really just, you know, let that marinate in your pores, we're gonna seal it in with some jojoba oil, some rosehip oil. Dare I do it? Dare I do it? Okay, it doesn't even work. Few drops. Few drops. Mix it all together and just make yourself a greasy monster. Let that soak in for, I don't know. Normally I'd do this before bed and then you wake up absolutely flawless, but and I swear to God, your skin is just gonna shine.
Shine.
And then, remind yourself that you're fucking awesome. No matter what. So yeah, this is probably like a really stupid video. Oh, also, I mentioned in one of my other videos that I got this book called Hardwiring Happiness. You know, I haven't really cracked it open yet, I'm gonna be honest. I'm just gonna give it some time. I don't want to rush into it. You know, my brain's been out of the reading game for about the past 21 years, so I definitely don't want to like push it too fast, but you know, at least I'm reading the title. It should be pretty good. That probably goes along with the video, but not sponsored, so that's the video. I hope this wasn't too stupid. I hope you didn't lose brain cells watching it.
If you did, I apologize.
I'm sure you'll gain them back. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this channel, subscribe. If you didn't like this channel, subscribe. One last thing. Take a sip of water.